Alright guys, how you doing? This is JC Engineering once again creating. Today we're doing a bit of product unboxing. Our friends from LaQ had been kind enough to send us this Basic 801 set, as you can see right now. And we were already been discussing for quite a while about having LaQ in our possible hubs. Unfortunately, as you guys are aware, because of the COVID-19 at the moment, we have to put our hub on standby, but we are looking forward to eventually put this resource available for children at the hub. So a little bit about LaQ. They've been around for quite a while. Japanese made, 7 basic pieces that you can actually utilize to make a lot of different things. And we wanted to share with you guys what you can actually find inside this particular box. It is recommended for children ages 5+. All right, so let's get started. All right, Sebastian, you want to do the honors? You want to pull this up for me? We're gonna open the box from the bottom. And whoa! So first of all, it comes in this really cool container, which is absolutely great because you can keep all your pieces inside. Good. And for what I understand on the box itself, there are 2 components. There is the basic pieces itself, 1,800 pieces, and then I feel like this must be like special gear pieces and other bits and other items that you can use to make the different models. All right, so shall we try something, Sebastian? Yeah. So the instruction guide comes with 42 different projects of what children can make. Of course, creativity is really endless, I believe, once you get the hang of all the different pieces and know how to use them through the different projects. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to be creating a truck, because our little man loves trucks. So we'll get started on this one. What I really actually enjoy about the presentation of this guide is the fact that it even describes what colors you can actually use throughout making it, whether you want to make it color coordinated, and of course this is just a guide. You can really do and create different styles for the different parts of it as well too. So yeah, look, let's get started and have a look what the outcome is going to be.